going on YouTube? We're back again, and we have my S550 Mustang here, and we're gonna swap out the transmission fluid on the manual transmission. So here's the fluid you're gonna use, just like the Focus dual clutch transmission fluid. You're gonna need 3 quarts. Don't let your dealer forget about the MT82 additive. You're gonna need this. You're going to need a 5/16 Allen to remove this plug on top, and then after that you're going to remove this 5/16 plug on the bottom. To be able to put in the additive, you're going to take this little red cap off, take a knife, cut the top, and then jam this hose on. Now that it's pretty much done dripping, you're going to replace and torque down this bottom plug and leave the top one open because that's the fill plug. And they say fill and drain right next to them, so you can't really mess this up. The best way to put in this fluid is to put the hose in the top, put this on the other side, and then you're going to lift up all the way to the floorboard so that it's higher than this hole, and then just squeeze the bottle and keep shaking it and stuff until it all drains out into the transmission. Now that you have 99% of it out, you're gonna just try to pour the last of it in your first quart of fluid. Now go ahead, grab your penis pump so we can use a penis pump to put the fluid into the transmission using this little hose. You're going to use a handle, put this end into here, pull the handle, it'll suck in the fluid, and then you just put it in the hole and then push the handle back in, and it'll shoot the fluid into the transmission. We're going to keep doing this until it starts to run out of the fill plug. Once you get to the bottom of one, to save aggravation of trying to suck up the last sliver, just pour the last little bit from the first one into the next one. Now this is totally empty, and you can start on the second one. So the official word from the dealer is 2.7 quarts, but I've never seen a manual car that you don't fill till it comes out when the car is sitting level. But yeah, I put all 3 quarts in, and it seems like it's barely coming out now, so more or less just consider it 3 quarts plus the additive. And now we're going to put this plug back in and torque it down. Now that the plug's back in, let's put this thing on the ground. Clean it up. If you got any oil residue, just clean it up real nice, and we're going to put the car down.